Hi there folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 1689 South Washington. And this is actually a rental that I'm going to go ahead and take you on a tour for. So as soon as we walk in the door here, we've got our half bath, which is amazing for our guests, so they do not have to go upstairs to where our bedrooms are. And this unit right here does have 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bath. Kitchen, of course, has your dishwasher, your microwave, electric stove, some counter space, lots of cabinets, more cabinets above the refrigerator. Cute little light up there, check it out. So, and then you do have a nice view right here. You've got your dining room, your living room. That is just a decorative fireplace. But we are going to continue our cruising here. And of course, big living room area, plenty of space. We do have this area in here where we've got lots of storage. As you can see, vacuum and stuff fits in there. And then we have another area right here which is perfect for a good pantry area. Now this home does have some mirrors on these doors, and I'm going to try super hard to avoid those mirrors. But we will see how that goes. So I would say the best thing about this rental, and excuse me while I open this door, is that this amazing patio with pavers, pretty flowers and shrubs here, but right across there we've got an amazing view of the Indian River. So you can just sit out here on your patio in the morning enjoying your coffee and taking a look at the water. And of course, amazing place to see the rockets go up. So there's just another plus. Back into the living room, big living room area here. Some cool built-ins over here on the side. So nice little desk area, shelving. And we will go ahead and we are going to cruise right upstairs, so you'll have to bear with me while we walk up these stairs. We again are in Titusville. We are in the 32780. We are right down the road from Titusville High School. So here, got your primary bedroom, and there is 2 closets in here, so you each have your own closet. They're not walk-ins, but again, I would say this is probably the best part is that there is that Indian River. I am out on the deck area here. So plenty of room to put a couple chairs, a little table, hang outside and enjoy Florida. So we're going to cruise right back in here again. Again, I'm going to try to avoid the mirrors. The closets in here do have mirrors. So we got a nice bathroom counter here. You got your single sink. We do have a tub shower combo in here. So tub shower combo. Do have our linen closet behind this door, and of course toilet room. And this is combined with your secondary bedroom up here. So you do have a nice sized bedroom. This bedroom happens to have a walk-in closet in it. So I guess that'd be the trade-off. Hey, I've got the river view, you get the walk-in closet. So again, it does go through to that other bedroom there. And then we are back out into the hallway, and in here we do have full-size washer and dryer, shelf above there. A little bit of extra space here on the side for anything you wanted to keep up here. And we are going to cruise right back downstairs again. We are in a townhouse here in Titusville. Again, it's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhouse. We are at 1389 South Washington. My name again is Margaret Klein. I am the listing agent on this property, but you can call any agent you want. If you have another agent and you want them to bring you over here to take a look at this amazing townhouse, feel free to give them a call. This is going for $17.50 a month. Again, that was $17.50 a month, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath with some amazing river views. Hope to talk to you soon. Feel free to call anytime, 321-480-7662. And if you subscribe to the channel, you'll keep getting these videos from me, a little bit easier access. And if you hold on a second after this one ends, you can go right into some more if you want to keep watching. Thanks so much, and you have an amazing day.